investors. So we're going to go over the highlights of some of the projects that we're working on in our Arabella Real Estate Fund, and hopefully you can get a deeper insight on our strategy, or how we're looking at the world around us and how we're looking at these projects as tools to help us accomplish our goals and our investment strategy. Let's talk about self-storage development. Port Wentworth is the fastest growing submarket of Savannah, Georgia. Savannah has the second busiest container port in the United States. It's actually the fourth largest and fastest growing port in North America. The city about 3 years ago started a $2.5 billion expansion of their port. They're building an inland port through Georgia, through Atlanta to another one of our developments in North Georgia. So there's a lot happening down there, a lot of population growth. I think that the expansion on the port alone is going to create about 9,000 jobs. So that's a fantastic market. And inside in the Port Wentworth market, being the fastest growing submarket of Savannah, I think right now the median incomes are over $105,000. By 2026, they're projected to be at $120,000. So nestled right into a strong development area of Port Wentworth is our storage site. And it's a 3-story climate controlled storage building, around 100,000 square feet, 770 units next to a Publix. There's several hundred homes being developed all around it. I think there's about 4,000 residential units newly developed right in and around the area where our site's going. So it's a great site, great location. Storage is doing so well right now. So we're really excited about this project and many of our other storage projects. Currently, this project is in the entitlement stage. We've completed all the zoning requirements. Now we're getting our permits. We're about to break ground on the project. Very excited about it and looking forward to giving more updates about this project. Typical returns on a storage development, and again, similar to most of our projects, we're gonna want a 2.5 equity multiple or better. Climate controlled storage, you're looking mostly in mid to high 20s as far as an annualized return or internal rate of return. This project in particular is more of a low 30s, so it's a little bit higher than our average projected returns are. So it's a strong project, between 2 or 3x multiple. The numbers look fantastic. The market is fantastic, so we're really excited about it. Storage has been a very important part of our real estate portfolio for a while now. Interestingly enough, though, as we pivoted to and from different assets during all the different market cycle changes over the last decade, storage is something that we've never really had to pivot away from because it's always penciled. It actually was one of the top performing assets in the 2008 recession. Storage continues to stay. It continues to do well in a number of different markets. So very excited about it. We're going to continue to develop more of these types of projects, but this Port Wentworth project is exactly the type of development projects that we want to see and continue to add to our real estate portfolio. So if you're looking at an asset to invest in directly, take a look at this storage project and see if it fits your goals and objectives and something that you'd be interested in. If you want to diversify your investments even more, you can invest into our Arabella Fund and diversify that over this project and all of our projects that we're working on and get a little piece of all of them. So there's plenty of opportunities out there in the market, especially when the market's volatile. It just presents more buying and investing opportunities. And we show up to work every day diligently and vigilantly looking for the best deals, the best opportunities, and our expert team really help us pull everything together to be able to find those deals. This is the exact type of project that we like to see in our portfolio. So it's all about cash flow and the equity that we're creating in the project while generating cash flow right now. But this is the opportunity we have. Take advantage of it while it's here, while those development fees are still coming and readily available. Take a look at the projects, take a look at the fund. We'd love to have you as part of our family of investors.